Imagine a device that transforms your kitchen into a limitless culinary creation space where every bite is a promise of pleasure, texture, and unforgettable flavors. Let me introduce you to the revolution in the world of family cooking, the CleanFry 3000 from Cecotec. It's not just a fryer, it's your new culinary partner designed to delight the taste buds of the whole family with astonishing ease. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order your CleanFry 3000 from Cecotec today. This electric fryer is ideal for families and cooking enthusiasts looking for a practical and efficient solution to prepare healthy and delicious fried foods. Perfect for those who value easy cleaning and precise cooking, it promises effortless gourmet moments. The CleanFry 3000 is not an ordinary fryer. With a power of 2000 watts and a capacity of 3 liters, it is ready to take on all culinary challenges. Imagine perfectly golden fries, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, juicy fried chicken, or crunchy fish prepared quickly and effortlessly. But that's not all. Cecotec has equipped this device with the ProFilter system, an innovation that filters and purifies the oil after each use. No more used oil full of residues. With the CleanFry 3000, your oil stays clean longer, ensuring healthier and tastier frying. Cleaning, often seen as the chore after the joy of frying, becomes a breeze with the CleanFry 3000. Thanks to its dishwasher-safe components, including the bowl, lid, and basket, maintaining this appliance is as simple as it is effective. No more time wasted scrubbing after a cycle in the dishwasher. Your fryer is ready for the next culinary adventure. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The design of the CleanFry 3000 has been crafted to fit perfectly into every kitchen. Its elegant black stainless steel body is not only beautiful but also durable, and with a lid featuring a viewing window, you can keep an eye on the cooking without having to open the fryer, thus maintaining the ideal temperature for perfect practical results. The adjustable temperature up to 104/2010 gives you complete control over every recipe. Whether you are preparing fries, fish, or even vegetables, the CleanFry 3000 adapts to your needs, ensuring the desired texture and taste every time. Imagine being able to precisely adjust the temperature for each food item, ensuring optimal cooking. Cecotec has thought of everything. A light indicator shows you when the device is ready to cook and when the ideal temperature is reached. But it doesn't stop there. Aware of the importance of safety, the brand has equipped the CleanFry 3000 with overheating protection and a cold storage space, ensuring safe and organized use in your kitchen. This, combined with the availability of spare parts in the European Union for 10 years, makes the CleanFry 3000 a sustainable and reliable investment. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's move on to its advantages, as well as its disadvantages. The number one advantage is that the system filters and purifies the oil, extending its lifespan and ensuring healthier frying. Advantage number 2, ease of cleaning. All components are dishwasher safe, which greatly simplifies the cleaning process after use. Advantage number 3, a power of 2000 watts, ensures rapid temperature rise and efficient, even cooking. Advantage number 4, adjustable temperature, allows for precise adaptation to different types of food for optimal cooking. Advantage number 5, lid with window. It allows you to monitor the cooking without opening the fryer, thus maintaining the temperature and preventing splatters. Advantage number 6, design and quality materials. Durable, aesthetic, and stylish stainless steel that fits well in any modern kitchen. Safety features include overheating protection and a cable storage space for risk-free use. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. The number one drawback is the 3-liter capacity. While sufficient for an average family, it may not be adequate for large gatherings or for those who wish to prepare large quantities of food at once. The CleanFry 3000 is not just a fryer, it is a promise of shared moments with family or friends around delicious dishes. Cecotec, specialized in small household appliances, offers its expertise to make every meal a moment of joy and discovery. With over 2,200 customer reviews showing an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, satisfaction is guaranteed. Each comment reflects Cecotec's commitment to providing quality products that meet the needs of its customers. In conclusion, the CleanFry 3000 from Cecotec is much more than just a simple cooking appliance. It is an invitation to rediscover the joy of eating together, to experiment with recipes, and to savor every moment spent in the kitchen. Don't wait any longer to turn your meals into true culinary experiences. Click the link in the description to order yours at the best price, discover more about its features, and read the hundreds of reviews from customers who have already adopted the CleanFry 3000 in their kitchens. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.